Kanye is a 21st century artist. And I think he's someone to look at because in this world that we live in, the internet has allowed us to speed up the process of execution, thereby allowing you to become a multi-hyphenate, to take on multiple jobs and still be able to succeed at all of them. Now, no one said it's going to be easy. No one said it's easy, but it's possible. And I think Kanye is one of the key pioneers that has shown that. And I think that people should really look to him because I don't think that he's appreciated for these things because he's quite controversial. He says a lot of crazy things that makes people angry. But one thing that was so interesting is that once he took on Christianity as his role, and it seemed like it was a PR stunt and a marketing scheme for his last album, but once he's taken on